Yes, now I'll tell you how many classes will load. This is important, guys, very, very important. How many classes get loaded into the memory behavior when we wrote Java and class name, right? See, this is what we'll do, Java and class name. As soon as you give class name, which all classes gets loaded. Okay, that we have to see. Notice always parents will load first. That's a note. Understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
After all parents loaded, gets loaded. Current classes gets loaded. So that's the rule, okay? Now tell me, guys, as soon as you view this, now tell me, if you write Java and class name, what all gets loaded? Tell me, guys.
So after
Pardon? Here I wrote now clue. Based on that clue, can you tell me, guys?
first of all, it's
Can you please see this rule and tell me? First, who will
Parent will load first.
parent? Parent means either a class and interface.
yes.
Interface.
Whatever is there, all parents will load. Okay. So based on that, you tell me. When you write this, who will load, guys? When you write Java and class name, who will load first? Tell me. Who is not able to tell? You don't know who is the parent for this class, is it?
Sir.
Who is the parent for this class?
A underscore S.
Underscore S underscore NF.
Of what you are talking about this class? Why you are talking about this class?
Then it is an object class.
I'm asking about this class, and then why you are talking about this class? I know the reason. I'm asking for this test class. Who is the parent? Yes, tell me. Who is the parent? Correct.
Object class is going to load first.
So object to load first. Object class gets loaded. Because that is the top parent. Next,
Yes,
next what will load? Do you have any interfaces here?
no, sir.
Then this class will load.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, which class will load? Tell me. To go inside, okay? Now, so now it will go inside. Now which class will load in this line?
Sir, it is from A underscore S underscore.
Yes.
Who is the parent?
Object class.
Then who will load first?
Object class.
It is already loaded now.
Yes, sir.
Only once it will load, okay? After that, it will be available. So as object class is already loaded, okay, inside main method, inside main method, guys. Observe here, guys. Method starts execution. Inside main method, main. Now, after loading, after those classes loaded, it's loaded into memory. Main method gets executed. Inside main method, based on the classes used, those particular classes gets loaded as per the above rule. What is above rule? First parents.
First parents and then
So that based on that. But note, what is the note?
the object class is
Loaded once. If it is loaded, if any class is loaded once, if any class is loaded once, then it won't load again and again. Understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
So once it loaded, it will be available. So now which class will load here? Which class will load? Tell me.
A underscore S underscore N.
Will load directly. Will load directly because object classes already loaded. Okay, next, which class will load, guys? This is over.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next, which class will load? That line is completed.
System.
Do you have any other classes here? Only
No.
this class, right?
Yes, sir.
And next line, which class will load?
The same A underscore S underscore test alone load.
This is
So already loaded.
in the next line, which one will load, guys? See here, we crossed this line. We crossed this line. We came here, we crossed this line. This line class loaded this. And that's it, one time that is loaded, no other classes in that line. Now which one will load, guys?
System.
Perfect. System class will load. But system class won't load. We have to see parents for system class.
Okay.
Correct? No?
Okay, sir.
Yes. So system's parents will get load, then system will get load.
We have to see. If you want to know the relationship, I told you to use Java P and all. Some people are finding it difficult using Java P. So that's why what I will do is from today onwards, I will see documentation. You downloaded, right?
Yes. Yes.
Whatever you downloaded, you can see in Google directly. How you see is system doc, that's it. You are writing only this much, class name, and then you will write.
Yeah.
Right. Who will take the latest version, that is 70, this is the latest value, so they take latest only. So instead of 12 here, I write 18 on the top. So here 12 is there now. I replace with 18 and then I will see. Okay. Now who is the parent for system class? Here they wrote.
Extension.
Object.
Object. So it's already loaded or not?
It's already loaded.
Already loaded.
So who will load now?
System.
System will load. So one general knowledge question, one common sense question I'll ask. Which class will load first in the memory, guys, in entire Java?
Object class.
Object.
Yeah. And then the current hierarchy, next parent, like that, will keep on loading. Okay, do you have any interfaces?
No, sir.
So that won't load. Okay, next. Dhananjay,
Yes, sir.
can you please share homework?
Sir, actually, I joined through mobile, sir.
Why like that?
Still, my laptop issue not yet fixed. So, actually,
Okay, and one more thing, why you joined late?
sorry.
You joined late, no? Why you joined? Classes at 5.
Actually, I'm trying, sir, but due to some network issue, I haven't joined.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
So those are things, because these classes are important, at least season 1. We try to be
Yes.
honest,
Yeah, definitely. Sir.
try to fix it early.
Yeah, sure, sir. Definitely.
Hmm. Okay, now guys, till here we understood. Now which all will load, guys? Next what will load?
Dot.
Tell me, guys.
Out class. If it's a class.
Out is a class, is it?
No, sir.
You
No,
have
sir.
to identify class, right? Class name starts with capital letter.
Okay. Yeah, right. It's a very.
Shall I tell you guys?
Please.
Documentation. Java in 3 words, what I told? Here, field means variables. Construct. And then is method. Again, you will see same thing only. You'll see variables.
Variables. Constructor.
And then relationships here. You're seeing relationship, right? First you're seeing relation or not?
Yes, sir.
Now, first the relationship and then those 3. So now variables will go. Out is a variable, guys. How you know is, we know that after out, see if it is a method, you'll have bracket like this. If it is a constructor also, you'll see it's a bracket. Okay. Here there won't be any constructor, guys. Here. If you see here, constructor is disabled here. Why? Any guess? Any guess? Yes, why constructor is disabled? Class will compulsory have constructor, right?
Yes, sir.
But why not showing? Any guess?
It is a
Pardon?
because the interface is of
Yeah, why interface will come here? I'm talking about this class constructor. This is a class. See here very clearly. Class.
Yes, sir. Class system.
Class. It's not interface. Okay. In interface, yes, as you told, there won't be any constructor, but it's a class, no?
yes,
It
sir.
would have
Then why there is no constructor? You're not seeing any constructor in documentation. Shall I tell you?
Yes, sir.
Constructor is private. The constructor is what?
Private.
Private. Private means no other people can access it. That's why they're not showing it. And we know the command, if you want to see still private, -p if you write, you get a Constructor name will be same as class name.
Asking for lamb dot.
And then bracket.
Inflation.
Is it
Yes.
private or not?
Yes. Yes.
Private means other outside class nobody can access. That's why they are not showing here. That's why it is disabled. Understood, guys?
Mhm.
If it is not available in class, it means it's definitely a private. Got it, guys?
Yes.
Constructors you no need to learn because it's a private. So now what you have to learn, either variables or
Method.
method. Variable. So it is a variable, right?
Yes.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
type of variable? What is the type of this variable?
Print string.
Print string.
Stream, right?
Yes, sir.
What is the type of this variable?
In-
Integer.
Integer.
Int, not integer. Integer is different.
Okay.
Okay. Understood, right?
Yes, sir.
So now what is the type of this A?
Inter.
Eh?
Not int. A underscore ns.
Ah,
New
whatever is there before that will be the type, no?
Got it.
Okay, for example, guys, you know, string S is equal to hello. What is the type of S?
String.
I like that only. What is the type of A?
A underscore ns.
Int.
That is simple, no? What is the type of result?
Int.
Okay. What is the type of this method?
Public static void.
Madam, you have to see only one before that.
Void.
Right.
Return type keyword, if you remembered, I told you return type keyword.
void only.
Void. Okay. These are access modifiers.
Okay.
So what is the type of main method?
Void.
Void.
What is the type of SSSS?
String. String.
String.
So, madam, you have to tell this.
Array. String array.
String.
You have to tell till here, madam.
String array.
Yes. It's a string array, guys. 3 dots is nothing but array only.
Got it.
Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts? Do you know how to see the type of a variable? Yes or no?
Yes. Sir.
Before the variable name, whatever is there, that will be variable type. So they won't show you. They will ask indirectly to confuse you. What is the type of I? You should not tell this, okay? You are calling it. You have to go where I is available. You have to see before that what is that, then you have to tell. Okay, now tell me what is the type of J?
In
And
int.
int only, sir.
In this line, it's not showing, no?
Yeah.
Following is wrong.
Pardon?
Yes, sir. It's not showing here.
Then how you know? Then you have to tell. We have to go to the
J.
Where it has defined.
is available, and then J type, then see the type of J, then you will come to its int. Understanding, guys?
Yes.
So before the variable name, whatever is the type. So now, if you see here, what is the type of out variable, guys?
Print string.
Print.
Print string.
String.
Now
Print string.
print stream. See, if I click on this method, in system class, I'll click on the
Method.
variable print. Here, guys. I'll click on this out. You can click on out also, you can click on private stream also. If you go to out means you'll get more details about out. See here, out. You can read it, what out is doing. Read this.
The standard output stream.
Output stream. Okay, it's one of the output. It's giving one stream means you know, right? Water stream. Stream is nothing but a collection of, it's like a flow. Okay, standard output stream. It's output flow. What the stream is doing.
Except output data.
Output data. You are giving system.out print means something you are giving to print, right?
Yes, sir.
So that is output. Okay. Typically the C stream explanation given by Java people, guys, Oracle people. Okay. Java 18 here. It's not by me. Okay. Display output. What the stream will do, they're telling to display
Output
and another output
destination.
destination. Okay, what is destination here? They are telling
Console will exist.
that is okay, specified by the host environment of user. The water environment used based on that. If it is console, otherwise different one. Okay. Characters will convert to
bytes
are
console.
using this
Console cassette.
like that. So that much may not be required. You just think you can understand only till whatever is possible till output are not required. No? RYA we need. Got it, right?
Okay.
And now, how many println methods are there?
Println character story.
12 is there, sir.
Pardon?
12 is
No, ma'am. Then
10 is there, sir.
these two
None. Okay.
got it, right? 10 are there. So which one will load X? Which is a suitable method here used?
Println int.
See, println nothing is there. Println boolean is there. Println char is there.
Char.
Double is there. Float is there.
14.
Int long object string is there. But what we need here is
Println int.
int. Why you need println int?
We have to print in int value.
Int value result is int. We can result as type int here.
Yes.
So it will go to the println, which is of type, which is taking int. But before that, what is the type here? I told.
Print string.
Print string.
Go to print stream class by clicking on this. Okay. And now, who is the parent?
Filter.
Top parent you have, from the top you have to see.
Object.
Object.
Is it already loaded?
Yes, sir.
Next, what will load?
Output stream.
Okay.
Java.
All these three will load, guys. Object is already loaded. So remaining it load like this. All three will be loaded. As output is of type
Print string.
as first all of its parent in hierarchical order. It's loaded into memory. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Who is the parent here? Yes, sir. Understanding?
String. Print string.
How many people are getting loaded? So if you don't know relationship, are you able to answer this question? You tell me, guys. How many people are sacrificing for you to get output? That people are burning. They are burning, they are working for you. Understood? Every class person I told or not?
Yes, sir.
So how many people are involved in that printing work? Observe it. You are giving a task to your computer JVM, right? Please print this statement. If you give any task to anyone, okay, you consider you want to have a paint to your home. So you'll give this work to you. Which one? Whose you will give this work is?
Job. Which
The job, see, to your home you want to paint. Okay, to whom you will give this work, painting work? Don't tell them, you do it. Whom you will give?
paint.
Contractors.
Paint.
Who will do the painting?
Carpenter. You'll give to the carpenter, right? If you give to carpenter, only one guy will paint, is it?
No, sir. Group of people will do.
Group of people will be there or not?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
His manager, again his boss, he will send his workers. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Java also like that only. You people don't think Java is something different. Java is everything which you know. That's it. Believe that first. The names of the people are different. Agreed. In outside, now we'll see Raj, David, Wilson,
Okay.
Shakti, Mamata, Avinash. That is outside. But inside Java, you have to adapt to the names. Those names are system, print stream, output stream. What we can do? Their names are like that. What we can do? Tell me. You have to remember, no?
Yes, sir.
Without knowing relationship, are you able to answer this question? You tell me.
No, sir.
The relationship important or not?
Important only.
As you people are struggling to see relationship using Java P, I came across with a new plan. Here, directly will come to know without any effort. Got it, right? Going there again, his parent, no need to see. Got it, right?
Yes, sir.
Next, how many interfaces are involved here?
4.
Four.
All interfaces also gets loaded, guys. After classes and interface are like parents only, all parents, any order is fine. According to me, we load first because ladies first, as you know, as I always mention. First interfaces will load and then classes. These all interface belongs to which package, guys? Tell me. Tell me, guys, all interfaces, if you're not seeing any package name, I told you, which package belongs to?
Java adapter.
Plan.
See, so many interview questions you are learning.
Yes.
So till now, offered interfaces. Now, parent classes get started to load. See, you've given one small printing work. See how many people are involved. Tell me. Can you believe this? Can you believe this? But for us, it's one statement: system.out.println. But if you want to use system class, this many people are coming. Understanding, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next. Okay, which println method? There are 10 printlns. Which println?
Printing.
Print.
Exit. Got it, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. That line is over. And here anything gets loaded, guys? Already.
Already
Already loaded. In third line. Loaded or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here again this load or it is already loaded.
I don't know.
System is already loaded or not? Next print stream also already loaded or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Next, that's it. So see, so this many people are came here to print for you one int value in this program. Do you know this before? Tell me.
No, I didn't know.
You know, guys. You don't know that is Java, okay? Correct, right? Painting. Painting is nothing but printing only. Now see.
Yes, sir.
System.out. Okay. Some people ask, sir, what is system.out, sir? Yes, sir, what is this, sir? Print is sufficient, sir. They'll tell me. Okay, no, now you tell me which is easy. If it is print like this is easy, a system.out.println is easy. Among these two, which is easy, guys? Tell me, I know which is easy, I know it. For me, this is easy. This is easy. For you, which is easy? Tell me, guys, which is easy for you to print? This one you felt easy, or this one you felt easy? For me, this is easy, guys. For Mamata, which is easy for you?
Print only, sir.
Then why they didn't do like this in Java?
Rules.
JVM.
No, I'll tell you. You are telling print, correct? Where to print? Tell me.
Unsolved. Sorry.
So here it knows, is it? It knows where to print, is it? You told console, is it? You can't print in file. You can print in file or not? Generally, can you print in file? Yes or no? You can print in files or not? Tell me. Correct, right? Then did you mention anything like that? That's why even it is easy, I didn't like it. Because you don't know
Where we have to print.
Where to print it?
where to print. But by default, it takes console and print, of course.
Yes.
By default, it prints in our console. This is what Python is. I don't like Python because it is not showing clarity in this line. Of course, easy. People are telling easy, no?
Yes, sir.
Clear. Did you ask that? People are telling easy, yes, agreed, easy. But is it clearly understandable? Did you ask? Tell me. For remembering, people know, instead of remembering system.out.println, print. Okay, easy. But is there any meaning coming clearly?
No, sir.
But in Java, you're getting clearly
Clear.
here system. In a system,
Output.
We have to give
Out.
yeah, out means output. You have to
Print.
consider over that. How you talk? If you want to talk to me, if you want to print in some paper, what will you tell? Sir, I want to print in a paper. You tell her that.
Yes, sir.
पेपर में आउटपुट प्रिंट करना है ऐसा ना पेपर ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಎಸ್ ನೋ
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
பேப்பர் print பண்ணுங்க same like that. See, if you want to print in paper, I like print paper ಅಲ್ಲಿ output.
Print.
I'm very clearly understanding.
Yes, sir.
If I write println, where I have to print? Oh, I have to think the default is it in console. Okay? Tell me, ma'am, which is easy? You tell me.
System dot out dot println.
It is clear.
It is clear.
Java
Clarity.
is more clear than any other languages. That's why even now people are using it. Otherwise, if it is easy, how much time it will take to replace if it is easy? If it is this much easy, it will take just very fastly it can replace, right, Java? But why it is not replacing? Why it is not replaceable? Because it is not clear. For small things where it is not clear, no, then you can use it. Got it, right? If you want to print, if you want to paint in a hall, you have to use a very good paint. Internally in restrooms or inside some go down and all, no, normal paint is okay. Java is more clear. Everything is there like a hall only to it. Got it, right?
Yes, sir.
So now, if you understand Java, now tell me, understanding Python is easy or not? So now you understood, okay, in system output is getting printed. Now it is easy for you or not?
Easy, sir.
Yes, sir.
Consider this is not there. By seeing this line, will you come to know that system.out.println is there behind?
No.
That's why first you have to learn Java and then you have to learn Python. Then only you'll feel easy. Otherwise, you'll feel that there is so many things missing for you. Remember, but you won't understand.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Understanding, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So understood, right? What is the meaning of system.out.println?
Yes, sir.
How you talk to anyone? System only. Output.
Output println.
Print ಮಾಡಿ. That's it. Print ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ where you have to print? Tell me. If I write like this, where you have to print? Tell me.
It is in.
You don't understand, no?
Yes, sir.
So which is more clear? Java or Python?
Java.
Yes.
Java.
Even C# is also very clear, guys. But there are so many magics in C#. Magics means without your involvement, so many things will do. Here, this is a magic or not? See, without your notice, you saw only one line, but how many things are loading? Is it a magic or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So like that, there are so many magics actually in C#. That's why you should not go to C# directly. First, you go to Java, understand what is a small magic, then you have to go for a big magic.
Yes, sir.
Got it? First, so according to this, what you have to learn first?
Java.
Java.
People tell, see, people has to, there is a wrong perception. Sir, I don't know even C, sir. I don't know even, sir, I'm from BCom, sir. People tell, is it really background required to understand this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Every day, what you do like that, you know, for painting, you give carpenter. For a printing, you have to give to print stream. Now, print stream, if you give what all it will send, along with it, it will bring all his parents also, him also, it will bring. Yes or no? See, if you call to a painter, okay, then what all he will bring? He will bring his manager and his boss also if needed, and he will also come.
Yes, sir.
The actual painter is this guy only. But
Yes,
you
sir.
know that his boss and his boss also will come, na?
Yes, sir.
The person who do is a worker only, but he will bring his manager, his supervisor. His boss also will come to see. First time means same thing. Correct, right? Is Java easy or difficult, guys?
Easy.
Without, if you don't know, What is a system dot out dot println? I have to remember. That difficult. But it is nothing but what you do daily. Paper ali print ಮಾಡಬೇಕು or if you remember, like if you read like that becomes easy or not?
Yes, sir.
Java, I understood with the real life. From the real life, I went to real time. But everyone will start directly real time. So which you may not connect directly.
Real life.
Yeah, I will teach with the real life. Real life means how you do daily. That's what real life. So Java is involved everywhere. So if you see my group, guys, my group name, do you know? Did I add you to the biggest group?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Oh, definitely.
I'll share the link, okay, so that you can get added to that group, big group. In other institutes, maybe you know about, maybe you know only friends, only who sits beside you and all. But here in our class, no, everyone knows everyone. It's interaction, it's live, and you have to switch on video. Till now, except Dhananjaya, everybody switched on their videos, according to me. Got it, right? See, in apartment, if you close your doors, are able to talk to anyone? But you won't feel that. See here, we don't know anyone. Even a single person, I don't know. Got it, right? So how many are there?
28.
But even a single person, I don't know. It's like apartment. It's like apartment culture. But my institute is not like that. You'll come to know everyone, each and everyone. Okay, so that is your group first. First, you have to interact within your groups. Okay, after that, you have to go for biggest group. What is the main group name? What is the group?
Java is good.
Okay, how many people are there?
250.
Yeah, it's a full. Okay, now one more group. What is this? Java?
Everywhere.
God is everywhere or not?
Yes, sir.
It's like that Java is also everywhere. One more group. So I'll add you to this group. Here, how many are there?
240.
Yeah, 240. Actually, it was 250, but people are dropping. Okay, right? Java is God was more connected to me. That is the first group I created. So even they are more involved. Okay, so like this, yes. I'll add you to this group. In this group, now you'll get the job requirements and all those things will be posted by our students only. Some people will take like this only. Got it, right?
Yes, sir.
So please help each other, guys. You also, okay, you have to create that thing so that you will, when you start also in companies, you don't need to search for others. Here only you can develop. See here, if you see this, you'll come to know which all is loaded. Here, which all are loaded, guys, for printer and who is the parent?
Filter out string.
And the other parents are, other introverts are
And
dependable and
Closable.
flushable and auto closable are not there. Then it's very simple. If you go here,
and then
Okay.
okay, appendable doesn't have any relation. So if you go to closable, you'll see her parent. What is her parent?
auto close.
Auto closable is the parent. See here. That's why all the parents will load. That's why they are showing here. Even there are only 2 parents. Third parent also why they are showing here is closables parent. And where is flushable? Flushable may be here. We'll see that. See,
Yes, sir.
whose parent is flushable?
Java IO dot out string.
Why they given here? It's a common sense. We have to think. His parent, why they given for print string? Correct, no? Because all are getting loaded. So you think here or think here, both are same for me because all are getting anyhow loaded for you. Got it, right? You can tell manager's boss or you can also tell your boss, no, what is there. Correct, right? Your boss and manager's boss is same, huh? So in that way only. Even if he may not be directly reporting, you are not directly reporting, but he is your CEO, right? It's like that.
Yes.
Understanding, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So for printing, how many people are sacrificing their life? Tell me.
7.
Just for printing, so this many people are sacrificing.
Yes, sir.
If you count it, around 10 members.
Okay.
1,
Yes.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 members are sacrificing just for printing. Understanding?
Yes.
In your next program, if you remember, here you wrote char sequence and string, right?
Yes, sir.
Homework program. If you take that, how many people will get printed? That we'll see. Now, it's available, guys. Printel and there are 10 minutes. Yes or no? 10 minutes are there or no?
Yeah. Yeah, that's what.
When you click on out, it is taking to some place. Here there are 10 println methods. So if print string, which one is getting taken? Yes, tell me.
Blank string.
What? Which println is taking?
Language.
This one, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now see here. So this is loading. So it is loading in string. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now who will involve now? While loading, string came into picture. Earlier int. But now one more class came into picture. Class needs to be loaded. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
While printing string data, then string class will be loaded. Need to be loaded. So you have to see again his parents. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If your string has to load means first again, as our rules. First we will load string class parent. So click on string class. Click on string class. Now see here, who is the parent for string class?
Object.
And how many interfaces?
5.
4, 5, sir.
All interfaces will load or not?
Loaded.
It will be loaded. So char sequence will load as serializable. Char sequence comparable, constable, and then string guys. See, if you print string, how many people are sacrificing? If you're printing int, 8 people. If you're printing string, then 9, 10, 11, 12, 14 people are sacrificing for you to print a string, guys. 14 workers will come. See, if you are painting a normal paint, only 2 or people are sufficient. Hence, you want to put a laminated paint or something like that. Some more experts will come or not.
Yes, sir.
It's like that only. So whatever you know, you just have to turn in Java way. That's it. So it means Java already you people know or not, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
But you don't know that is Java. That's definitely will take care. You have tried in YouTube and all, right? But still you would have not understood. Because they won't tell in a real life. They'll directly tell print the object, all those things. You know, guys, this is object. According to me, you know this is object. You know or not? We learned this.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
When we need object, I told you, if it is a non-static, you need a,
Object.
if it is static, you need only
Yes, sir.
Class.
object is not.
Needed.
So this is one of the interview questions. To access which all thing, you need object base. Tell me. To access non-static things, we need object. To access which all things, you doesn't require object. Tell me, guys. Tell me. To access static things, it doesn't require.
Any object.
Understood, guys? Only doesn't require object, but it's good if you tell that what you require. Only last. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So it's like that. Any doubts, guys? Understood or not all this? How many people are loading into memory? So you should not. So relationship is important or not? You tell me.
Yes, it is important.
Without knowing relation, we can't know what is happening inside system.out.print. How many people are loading into memory? So if you know that, advanced Java is a cakewalk. you do not think till today to become a developer. Maybe you didn't think because no source for you to think that you can become a developer. But now you can definitely leverage yourself to become a developer, guys. But of course, our course is limited to core Java and Selenium. You have to learn some advanced Java topics and all. Got it, right? So if you join some courses other than this, like how you joined here, like that if you join advanced Java courses, then definitely you'll become a.
Java developer.
But according to me, nobody teaches like this in this world.
Yes, sir. I have seen
Definitely, sir.
tutorials and courses, but this approach is better than whatever I have seen up till now.
Yes. You pay 1 crore, still they won't teach. You pay 1 crore, whatever your life you spend, no, you earn that much you give also, they won't tell.
Yes, sir.
It's like that. And why I'm giving is because I love Java. Got it, right? It turned my life. You came to me only because I know Java, right? You tell me, frankly.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
That's
sir.
it. So definitely Java is God for me, right?
Yes. Right.
Okay, people think it's expensive. Okay, but actually it is reasonable for 6 months, right? We are learning all these details. Before joining, no, you may not understand this value of it. These all things came with so much research I have done. So much research to do this research, right? You'll retire also. You will not able to do this. And how I'm able to do this research is because I'm in this teaching field, I taught to the experienced people, okay? And I didn't teach for freshers. My institute is famous for experienced people who has a lot of gap and people who are having 16 years experience, 10 years experience, 5 years experience. They will come to me to change their profile. So there I have to actually give more inputs than what other regular institutes give. Okay, the only institute who is famous for experienced people is our institute. For freshers, there may be many, okay, because they no need to teach anything. But here, no, I'm doing this since 8 years. Now it's 9th year. Right, so that's why. So today is actually important class. Today, see, from past few days, if you observe, relationship is day by day, we're feeling it's more important. Till yesterday, it's a relationship. Okay, so I told to see all those things. He told to write. Yes, we have to write. But why? Why I told you to write? Because when class is loaded by JVM, all its parents get loaded. That's why I told you from the day one. Got it, guys? So relationship is important or not?
Yes, sir.
What is the easiest way to change? Without Java P, just you have to go to Google,
Java document.
just to type whichever doc you want, that's the print stream you want. Last name, just doc. That's it. Here, latest one you take.
Okay.
And then change from 12 to
18.
18. Why I'm asking to change, you will come to know what is latest features also. If you're getting doubt, then you can definitely change back to 12, 11, whatever. So then here, no, by based on this, you don't need to see parent, his parent, his parent.
Apprentice.
All is it's his parent, everything. His parent also will come here. Everyone's parent will come here. See, this guy's parent also came. Who is that?
Extreme or possible.
Correct. And who is the parent of? See here. Russia. Okay, sorry. For print stream, is it? No, not print stream. See, it is only output stream. So output stream's parent is flashable. See, observe here. Got no? So it's like. Yes, got it right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So learn well, guys. Okay, today actually I'll stop the session now. Okay, tomorrow will continue because tomorrow is very, 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 very unlimited, very important class.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
We're going to discuss about methods. The heart of
Yes.
Java.
Wait.
not only Java, our life. Got it, right? So today, I can tell, I can start, but it won't be, time is not sufficient. It requires lot of time and lot of patience from your end also to start with. And don't come late tomorrow, guys, because I'll start exactly. Dhananjay.
Sure, sir.
Okay, I told you very clearly from the day one, the first season one is very, very important than any other seasons. Got it right? Season one, so lot of basics will go like this. So this I can't repeat, no. See, in every season, why I'll repeat which all classes will load. Common sense. Correct, right?
Got it.
That's why, so season one is more important, guys, than any other seasons. There are many people who completed one season and they got jobs. Because after that, no, they started learning Selenium by their own only, because they understood. After they understood, now what is there for you to stop learning any other things? You'll start, right? So if you start learning Selenium parallelly along with season one, season two, so season two, season three, then you'll get job in 2 months, no? If you want to wait for me, it's 6 months. But if you start, nobody will stop for you, right? If you have time, so nobody stop for you, right? To learn.
Yes, sir.
So then it take only 2 to 3 months. So there are many people who got jobs before course completion, guys. Only based on season one. Season one gives that much clarity. So day by day, Java is becoming easy or not? So till season one, it is like that. After season 2, 3 and all, if you miss one day class also, you may understand by seeing video and all. But here, no, you have to involve. Even video may not help that clearly.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so try to come regularly, guys, till course completion, not only season one. Because my way of approach is entirely different to the other institutes or YouTubes. So I'll stop the session today.
Okay, sir.
Tomorrow,
Okay, sir.
exactly at 5 o'clock, guys. Very, very, very important class. Your friends have missed some. See, only here today they joined only 7 people. Okay, this is also one of the reasons that I'm stopping now. So please inform their friends also to join.
Okay, sir.
Bye, guys.
Thank you, sir.